Hi friends, I am working hard on producing videos and finding the right reward for you. I hope you will honor me with a follow and like. Thank you. Link in description. This Black Friday weekend, terms and conditions. The offer begins on January 15th, 2025 at 001 and ends on January 28th, 2025 at 23:59 Iran time. This offer is available for customers who experience a stopout in one of their trading accounts before the 1st of January 2025. Eligible account types include Nano, Standard, VIP, Master Trade, and Investor accounts. The stopout bonus is 100% up to a maximum of $1,000. The stopout bonus is granted only once per customer. A minimum deposit to use the stopout bonus is $100 or its equivalent in other currencies accepted by our broker. Customers can also benefit from a 15% infinity bonus on subsequent deposits, up to a maximum of $750. Please note that the stopout bonus is intended to assist traders recovering from a stopout and applies to trading accounts only, excluding cash accounts.